Okay.
What's good?
Hello.
We are back. It's been a while.
It's been a hot minute.
Geez. We moved out. We got a new camera that we are using right now. So hopefully now we've got more space and our own place, we can start doing more.
Yep.
But we were basically like thinking of videos and stuff we could do, and I like vlogging because I just think it's quite fun.
I feel like it's interesting as well. Like people just want to see normal life. Just normal life, just to escape for a little couple of hours.
So we thought today that we're basically gonna go drive to Colchester and we're gonna go hire out a little rowing boat.
Yeah.
That's my little vlog. So yeah, we thought we'd vlog it and it should be fun. It's a really, really hot day. But yeah, that's it for now.
Yeah. We'll see you when we're on the boat.
We've just pulled up to get some petrol. And yeah. And we're on our way to do some rowing, and hopefully we get some food because I am starving.
Okay, so we made it, and this is like so cute. I had to drive all the way down, and there's like parking no parking anywhere. Had to look. So I'm risking my car for this. It better be the best boat ride ever.
It's a beautiful day though.
But it is beautiful outside, and it only took about an hour. Munchkin over here had a nice little nap, didn't you?
I literally just copped in a little 20-minute nap.
But when we get up there, I'm going to show you, because it's like, this must be the town's.
We're gonna have to like walk around here, I think.
No, I'm not walking like that. This is like the town's like swimming pool, maybe. I don't know, but I'll show you when we get around there.
Good job, Ashka. You do a fab job.
I'm stuck.
It's a nice day to be fair. If any of you are wondering where we are, we're at the place called the Boathouse in Colchester. And yeah, you hire boats out, so it's £16 for an hour. So we have been for our little boat ride, and it was really, really good. It took some time to get used to. We sort of like, what do? Kind of crashed a little bit.
Yeah, we did crash a little bit.
We finished that, we got an ice cream, went for a little walk. Now we're just pitched up here really. Just chilling, still really nice weather. Yeah, it's all good. And then I think we're going to stay for a bit, head back to the car and get some food, I think, because I'm pretty hungry. Are you hungry? A little bit.
Okay, we'll get some.
It's been fun though.